Tubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan da shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Konggal Sangma Ula Ong baka Jingïakren hapeng ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam haduk mentaru kadang Ïaid Shongsaiñ kenang bantem bat banam mi kano ke Jingkulmar hayong khuli namar baka sorkar kam Kwah bakan Thut ke Shongsuk Shongsaiñ bat kam Kwah ban mi ke Jingï Snam kumbala jia habi kapot ke Mizoram bat ke Assam Konrad Ula Ong baka Jingïakren kadang Ïaid ru hapeng ki DGP jong ke Meghalaya bat Assam ki Chief Secretary ban te lakam ban ammi kano ke Jingjia bat Ula Ong ru baka sorkar kanam ailat ya kino ki Jingpenshit halo kani ka mat namar balada ka kta ya ka Shongsuk Shongsaiñ ka Jingjinjar kan dehi ya ki paitba uliyatho bo ula pha ya MLA ka Jirang constituency ba ul hiar sha yong khuli ban pet daladihi but ban pha ka kaifat shau
and taking a final call on the portfolio. So please give me a few days. I will look into the matter and the decision will be made in that line. Regarding the incident that took place in Assam, I had already told some of our reporter friends just a few hours back that I had a talk with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam yesterday, even though, and today also. So even though he was very busy because of the unfortunate incidents that took place in Mizoram, we still managed to speak, and we both have decided that there should not be any further instigation, and we should try to maintain peace, and therefore both sides have been asked to refrain and restrain, and accordingly that is what has been happening. Similarly, from the MDA, I asked the local MLA, Shri Sotun, to go and make a field visit, which he has done today. He has gone down to ground zero and he has met the people, and he will be submitting a report to me very shortly, maybe within a few hours. But as I said, I have been in touch with the Deputy Commissioner from our side, and our Chief Secretary has also spoken to his counterpart in Assam, and accordingly the DC of Ribhoi also is in constant touch with the DC of Kamrup and other officials, and therefore the matter as of now is under control. And we also urge everybody in both sides that we should maintain peace. Both the state governments are working towards finding an amicable solution to this. So therefore we will work towards it. But in the meantime, we ask and request all citizens to refrain from both sides, both the administrations to refrain also from any kind of aggressive movement, so that we are able to move forward in this discussion and find an amicable solution to this very long pending issue between the two states. We have already finalized on many locations where we will be putting up outposts. New outposts will be coming up. But as I said, we also have to see the sensitivity of the entire matter and see the locations where we will put it up. So depending also on the talks, we will be finalizing the locations. But some of the locations which are very much within the borders and there is no differences and no dispute, in those areas we will be going ahead with those outposts. And as I said, in the more sensitive areas, once the talks move forward, once we're able to amicably resolve it, because outpost, if we create and it just leads to more tension and more aggression and more differences in the situation, then it doesn't serve the purpose that we're looking at. So therefore, we'll see all those factors and then we'll take a call on especially the super sensitive locations.